which is a newly opened place beside Millennium Park, except it is not 20,000 leagues under the sea, but definitely on the Ganges. And we are going to have lots of fun. Come, follow us. We recommend you pre-book your visit so that you don't have to wait for the connecting boat. Moreover, the short sail itself is an immersive experience. Getting on the boat, having the cold wind blow across your face, and see the day change into the night. A brainchild of Oyan and Orpita Banerjee, the new fine diner and lounge by the Ganges sure knows how to welcome its guests in style. On the Ganges River, we have arrived at the Nautilus, which is actually anchored in the middle of the river. Come, let's see what interesting food awaits us inside this nightclub and fine dining restaurant. So the Nautilus is actually divided into two decks. We are standing in the ground deck or the lower deck right now, which is the Club Nautilus or the lounge that is perfect for all your winter parties and get-togethers. Come, let's explore. I'm actually sipping on Citrus Herb Cooler, which is one of their most signature mocktails here. But the best part is the view. From the entire Ganges Ghat to the Howrah Bridge to the railway station, everything can be viewed here from the upper deck. And it's one place where you must actually come visit, especially during the evenings of the winter, because you're going to find immense peacefulness to stand here and just look at all the lights and cherish the city that you're living in. So tell us, what do we have for our main course today?
So for today we are presenting, like, this is Guilin chili prawn. Okay. It's a prawn dish. This is Mughlai biryani, and this is your champaran mutton, the special, one of our special dish, and this is smoked ajwani fish.
That's a pomfret, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to start with the Guilin chili prawn, which is one of their Chinese specialties. This is very crispy on the outside and extremely fresh and succulent inside. And it's if you look at the shape, it's more flattened as a prawn than we usually have seen. But yes, it is very tasty. One dish which you cannot resist at any cost, and that is the biryani. Whether it has potatoes or not, we'll check surely. But it looks really enticing, and this piece of mutton has already got my hand. This goes in the plate first. The rice is very fragrant, and I can actually smell the aroma of caramelized onion, which is sprinkled on top. The biryani, which is known as the Mughlai biryani, has a very typical spice mix, which is not found in the Kolkata biryani. And the mutton pieces are very soft. They're tender. They will just come loose the moment you touch them. Right. Now the next one, the Champaran mutton, is one of the highlights of our neighboring states, Bihar. And let's see how it looks. The mutton is flavorful. And the onion chunks are giving a really nice taste breaker in it. The ginger juliennes actually pack a very pungent punch to this, which gives a lot of flavor to the Champaran mutton. One more, huh? Because it's really that good.
Oh, and this is actually not the mutton. This is a whole piece of garlic which goes in the Champaran mutton that's used to give the flavor to this dish. And never skip the garlic. Take this tip. As the name suggests, the masala actually has a very strong taste of ajwain, and that makes all the difference to the fish. Otherwise, the fish is very fresh and definitely a must try for anyone who is a fish or a seafood lover in Calcutta. So how did you like the Nautilus? The USP of this place definitely for us is the fact that it has something for everybody. If you want to party around with your friends, you have the lower deck, and if you really want to have a me time or family time or spend quality time with your friends, then you have the upper deck with a fantastic view. And the food is equally well presented and beautiful in its taste and flavors. We definitely recommend you to come here, and it is our hunch that this might be one of the most sought after hotspot this season in Calcutta. And if you are interested to do something very adventurous, catch a boat, dine on a boat in the middle of the Ganges. And I'll see you next time in another vlog. Till then, keep following us on Indulge Express YouTube. Bye.